I'm in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, RVing, and I'm hungry, but this is the thing. There's a tornado watch. But I just got a message that is a warning, and we're still gonna go to Waffle House. I called the RV place, the office. What do you do in a case where there's a tornado, right? Oh, you can come sit in our bathroom, or you can go to the truck stop anywhere there's a concrete building and wait it out. Yeah, so let's see what Waffle House is.
Have a seat wherever you want to sit, man.
Okay. Are you guys still serving?
Yeah, they open.
Waffle House open during the tornado warning.
Y'all open, right? Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, what seat you sit waiting on? No, man. I know y'all was already waiting. So
they're serving. I'm so hungry. I don't want to sit in a bathroom or in a at a truck stop starving.
I'm going in that bathroom out to go.
Yeah, after I woke up earlier and then I took a nap and back up. I'm starving, so yeah, we're gonna have us some waffle.
These up right here where all the food at, y'all.
They're building concrete, but it's all glass, half glass. So. This is, yeah.
Hey,
never been in a tornado. It's different.
Hey, y'all. And hey, y'all. After all that, I'm gonna scrap it off, but they call me Red G7.
Oh my God, yeah, my husband recycles. Always had before I met him. Opportunity. But yeah, I'm gonna eat me a waffle, and I'm gonna get an omelet and a waffle today. I'm just saying, yeah, because that completes everything I want. And grits. Yeah, it's too much, right? So we just placed our order. I'm gonna get a ham and cheese omelet and with grits. And yeah, I want to get a waffle, but that's killing it. So Alan's getting a waffle, and he's gonna get half of my omelet and get half of his waffle. And yeah, that's how it's gonna happen. I'm so hungry, so hungry. So yeah, they took our order. Yeah, they took our order. So yeah. You know, I never wear my Disney shirt unless I'm at Disney. Oh. This is what I like about Waffle House. Their stuff is fresh. They use real eggs. And you can actually watch the cook as they cook. Fresh food. And they're fast. Yeah. You see the people cooking your food. Waitress comes right here. Gotta love Waffle House. I'm just saying.
There's a tornado warning right now. Yeah.
Yeah, we're in a tornado warning. Listen, if the tornado hits,
y'all finna hit the road. Oh, you finna go to bed.
if a tornado hits while we're here, the bathrooms are right here. The bathrooms are right here if the tornado hits. Right there. So we're good.
You better go to the casino.
It's definitely safer than RV.
She better go to the casino.
Well, you know what? If you go to the casino, you'll be safe. You know you'll be safe in the casino, right? So if you want to be safe during a tornado, go to the casino. You'll be entertained. Yeah. So I'm waiting for our food. They're making it happen back there. Watching them cook. Oh my gosh. It's about to happen. It's about to happen. I wonder if that's my omelet there. And the guy in the back, further down, making my waffle. They have some good stuff here, seriously.
Hey,
okay, you just flipped my omelet and I made it. Why do I feel like that's my omelet, like I'm the only one in here?
It's yours.
Oh, they're making it happen. I can never make a good omelet. omelet. I have my omelets be dirty. I decided not to, when I make my omelets, not worry about the form. If it messes up, so what? It's an omelet. It has all the mixtures. It's just a dirty omelet. And I'm okay with that because it tastes good still. But I can really appreciate a pretty omelet. I'm just saying, I don't let that stop me from making omelets. What happened?
Cut the egg and bust the egg. You change the blood.
Oh, so they're being conscious of cleanliness. I like that. And safety. So I like that too. So they use plexiglass between each one of those. I don't tell her what type of toast. I like their cinnamon raisin toast. I better correct that. There's it. Yeah.
I don't mind.
It's happening. Mixed up.
The pancakes, though.
Yeah, they got everything mixed up. It's in that fridge there. All the. Yeah, they have like pails of mix already. So there's a prepper that probably comes in early to mix everything up. But the eggs are cracked right then and there. Yeah. Oh, the mix. God, I missed it. God, I missed it. They're like pails of waffle mix. I'm kind of catching that. God, dog, I missed it again. Trying to catch all the pails of waffle mix they have in that little fridge right there. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm using their silverware. I should get plastic, shouldn't I? I think I'm gonna get plastic with it.
Oh, what you want? Plastic?
Yeah, I'm gonna get plastic. We're gonna keep it as safe as we can. So yeah, this is waffle. This sausage. I get half that waffle. The waffles are so good. And it's just enough. I put butter on my waffles too. Even if I eat egg or waffles, I put butter on my waffles. God, that's pretty thick, that butter though. You can't spread the love.
What?
This waffle.
Where is it?
Yeah, baby. I'm just so happy right now.
Which piece you up? Which side you up?
I'm going in. So when you eat grits, when I eat grits, I put butter in my grits and salt in my grits. They have very good grits. And yeah, so this is the spread I'm going with right here. And I will never eat the toast. You don't eat plain toast, so sometimes I'll save my toast for later and have it as a snack. But this is the divide right here. Yeah, his sausage and his waffle. He's so happy. Did you put syrup on yours this time? They're good without syrup, but yeah, that's the spread I'm dealing with right now. I'm going in right now. I'm going in.